variables before the while loop, inside the while loop, and after the while loop. Let us look at variables before the loop, inside the loop, and after the loop. Before the loop, I is equal to 1. Press enter while I less than equal to 10 colon. Press enter, press tab. I is equal to I plus 1. This is the same code we wrote in our while loop video. Let us print I before the while loop without the tab space immediately after giving I equal to 1. Let's write print open bracket I close bracket. Press enter, print, let's open the bracket and let's open the single quotes and write before the while loop. Now let's close the single quotes and close the brackets. So Python will print the output as 1 and it is printed only once. The value of I remains the same. Inside the loop. What happens when we print I inside the loop? It increases from 1 to 10 and printed 10 times, correct? So let's write a print statement inside the while loop. So we add print open bracket I close bracket inside our while loop. Save the file and run the code. Only inside the loop, the value of the variable does not remain the same. It is continuously increasing or decreasing after the loop. So, let us see what will happen when we print I after the while loop. When we print I after the loop, it will have the last value when it completes the loop. Do you remember we discussed that Python will only keep the last value for the variable. When I value is from 1 to 10, the condition is true and I value is printed. When I value increases to 11, after increasing the I value, the condition I less than equal to 10 becomes false. So, the while loop completes. But the I value is still 11. So, when we print the I value after the loop, it will print 11. Let us add print statement after the loop. Because it is after the loop, we have not given tab space. So, we write print, let's open the bracket and let's open the single quotes after the while loop. And now, let's close the single quotes and close the brackets. In new line, write print open bracket I close the bracket. Now let us save the file and run the code. See, the last value of I is printed as 11. Right. So I hope you are able to understand the difference between the value of variables before the loop, inside the loop, and after the loop. It is very simple. The code inside will run many times, so the value of the variable will keep changing. But the value of the variable before and after the loop will remain the same because it runs only once. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.